Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Ream and I'd like to show you how to use the Ukulele Tuner app that's on your iPads to help you tune your ukulele at home. The Ukulele Tuner app is on the app portal on your iPads and your school iPads, and the icon for the Ukulele Tuner app is a dark black picture of a ukulele. So when you go into that app, you're going to see this set of 4 strings, just like on your ukulele. The first time you use it, it will ask you to allow it to access the microphone. When you pick up your ukulele, you can just pluck a string. Try to start with the G string all the way on the top, and you're going to see strings start to vibrate on the app screen. You'll be turning the pegs, the tuning pegs, a very small amount, and keep plucking the strings until you see one of those strings flash green. And then you'll know that that string is in tune. And if it flashes green just once or twice, that's enough. And then you can move on. You can do that for each one of the strings, and that will help your ukulele to be in tune. Remember, it should play that song, "My Dog Has Fleas," when it is all in tune. Hope this helps you out.